Hey, real estate agents. Are you generating real estate leads organically via networking, farming, open houses, or through paid lead services? Is your database non-existent or a hot mess? Are your prospects on loose sheets of paper, notebooks, binders, spreadsheets, Outlook, napkins, or in a crummy CRM that you hate? Are you using some kind of email drip campaign but you don't know what it says or even how to edit it? Are you paying for lead ads such as Facebook lead gen, but not providing the consumer what they signed up to receive from you? Maybe you have a team, but you want more production from your agents to help you leverage time and earn you more income. Do you believe taking your business to the next level absolutely depends on implementing a better automated prospecting system? Finally, do you admit that you don't have any time to get this all set up and wouldn't even know where to start? So let me ask you, are you lost? Are you fried, confused, tech challenged, overwhelmed, overworked, paying too much for leads? You have no personal life, not enough income, and maybe you just need to close more? Well, if this is you, don't feel bad about any of this. It's not your fault. We did not go to real estate school to learn how to prospect our leads and work our CRMs. Hi, my name is Patti Sampson, and I'm a real estate agent and broker in Scottsdale, Arizona. You may have seen me around in many of the real estate forums talking about real estate drip campaigns and our CRMs. I have worked tens of thousands of real estate leads in my career, and what I know is that we did not go to real estate school to set up our CRMs with long-term engagement. If you want to learn how I converted hundreds of my own real estate transactions and how I've helped thousands of agents from coast to coast to do the same with more engaging drip campaigns and better understanding of our CRMs, then you need to check out what it is that I do. I want to help you convert more of your database. So, do you have a pile of old stale leads that need to be re-engaged? Do you want to shake the bushes and get some business out of those leads, but your database is a hot mess and you don't have time or any clue on what to say to get them talking to you? I want to give you the drip campaign that helped me and my teams to close a crazy amount of real estate transactions, and the easy CRM training I developed for agents across the country to engage and convert more leads fast. If you want to take your business to the next level, get a better long-term engagement and increased understanding of a CRM you will actually use, get into my drip campaign Jumpstart workshop right now and get my free campaign and easy step-by-step CRM training. You could have a new client talking to you by the end of the day.